Drinking my cup, everybody vibing, girl, I'm in your whining.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Wednesday. What we're going to do, we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price because it's looking kind of bearish. And, Bitcoin is, it has dropped a lot from 30,000 down to 30,199. So we're going to take a look into that. If you woke up this morning, you're blessed. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get 10 bucks free Bitcoin and stack away in auto DCA no matter the price, guys, because, Bitcoin is absolute scarcity, absolutely finite, and the world has never seen an asset such as this before in history. So what we're going to do right now is jump into the Bitcoin price. Let's see what's going on. All right, so what we'll do is I'll use my laptop here instead of jumping into the app. So as you can see here, I'm on the 5-minute chart. Let's just jump to the 1 hour. All right, we're on the 1 hour chart here, and I did have the flag drawn. We did break out of the flag, but now we've sold off from the very top, which we had another resistance level here at 31,300. So we weren't able to break it. We did come all the way down again, like I just mentioned, to 199, sorry. And I did draw this flag last night, bear flag. Boom, and then we came all the way down, came down past it, and right now we're at this moving average right now, so not looking too good. We do have a bullish divergence, which I was talking about earlier on Twitter. So from that tweet, we did pump, but right now we are at that moving average right now, so it looks like we're about to come down. So just be prepared. This could be an H, right? It could be a nice whoop, come up and then come right back down. Boom, and then we can head up, in my opinion. Maybe that could happen, maybe that won't happen. We'll see what happens. We have VWAP pointing down, RSI, stochastic RSI. Looks like it is sideways, and that's my son in the background. But let's see here. Let's jump to the 4 hour. 4 hour chart. Last 4 hours we did go up, so does look good. Again, we came down to this level here. And we pumped right back up. So right now, this could still validate the flag. We'll see how that goes if we do come below this level, which is 30,190. I do have a short signal to make some money on the way down if it is going to come down. I really don't like shorting Bitcoin, especially in this uptrend. But again, we got to go based on what the charts are telling us and not our feelings. So the great thing is that, we do have RSI, stochastic RSI headed up, VWAP headed up. However, it does look like money flow is headed down. So, well, actually, money flow looks like it's headed back up. All right, so it is headed back up. So we'll see how this plays out. But again, it does look a little bullish, as I mentioned on the previous tweet. Like I said, a bullish divergence on the 1 hour, which I also drew out and tweeted out. So I think we're good for now, unless it's headed down and money flows in the red on the hour. Let's jump to the daily. Daily chart, we got a red dot here, so that's not good. We did have a green dot, which I mentioned the other day, and then now we have another red dot, so not good. We have VWAP headed down. Let's see. Yep, red dot headed down, RSI, stochastic RSI headed down, and we got VWAP headed down. Money flow also headed down. So daily not looking too good right now. And again, the chart showing that we are popped out of the flag, hit that resistance, came down. So we still have 1-2 more days to see what's going to happen. Maybe we can come up, maybe we come back down. That's 29.4 as a support. 29.5. So 29.4, 29.5 as support levels. If we do come down and then bounce, that would still be pretty good in my opinion. Let's jump to the 30-minute chart, and that'll be it for the updates. All right, so 30-minute chart. Let's zoom in here. Bullish diverge came up, and then we came down. Some monthly support, weekly support, daily support, or basically not support, but these are the monthly closes, weekly close, and then this is the daily close. So this is how I know where, you know, the closes are. Let's see here. All right, so on the 30-minute, we do have a uptrend on the VWAP. Well, momentum is headed up. RSI, stochastic RSI headed up, but money flows in the red, and momentum is very little. So, not looking too good. Not looking too good with the money flow being in the red. And then this could be an uptrend, or if we break this, or another flag. So if we break that, we can come back down. So don't know what's going to happen, but we will see. Right now we're at 30,520. Earlier today, again, we went down to 30,199. So this is the outlook there on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily chart. We will see what's going on. Hopefully we can pump. If not, if we do dump, you know, just make sure you DCA. I did mention as well about some DCA zones. So what I'll do is jump into Twitter real quick. Here's a great question. Would you sell all your Bitcoin to get the love of your life back? 63% of the people that voted out of 106 people said no. 19% said yes, and then 18% just wanted to show the results. So most people said no. That's very interesting. Bitcoin has no limit. Bitcoin is a pyramid scheme. Meanwhile, the US dollar is a literal pyramid scheme. I don't know who needs to hear this, but y'all not getting the student loans. It's true. I mean, I wish it wasn't true, but you know, it's true. We're not ready for what's to come. I agree. People are not ready. Absolute scarcity is something that we've never seen before, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video. The rich own stocks, the smart own Bitcoin. Let's go. 161%. Let's go. Let's go. Max Kaiser 220 in play. Let's see. There it is right here. I said this, 10 o'clock this morning, bullish divergence, as I mentioned earlier. And then from there, we did go up, but we were at 30,300. So we did pop up. And then now, like I said, it looks like we're starting to, you know, come down. So we'll see how that goes, especially long term. We had that daily red dot, so it's not good. Possible long on the hourly. That was 5 hours ago. Max Kaiser talking about Bitcoin back in 2014. Make sure you watch that if you haven't yet. And then the last thing here is, this is very sad that if you put $1, or if you put well, you know, the chart, I'll go to the chart in just a second, but $1 in Bitcoin from 2011 to 2023 is $30,000. 1 ounce of gold, or whatever the measurement of gold is, it's $1,900 back in 2011. It's still $1,900 in 2023, which is absolutely crazy to me, in my opinion. And then we'll look at here this chart, which I always go over. $1 in Bitcoin over 13.7 years equals 35,085,900, and then gold is $1.94. So if you would have put $1 into Bitcoin versus if you would have put $1 into gold, this is what you would have over 13 years. So this shows you the power of Bitcoin, and you know, most people don't understand that. So and that's Bitcoin volcano bonds for El Salvador, and that's it. Oh, also I'll go over this here. Levels marked. Over leveraging is a quick way to lose all your money, and you shouldn't trade unless you know what you're doing. With that being said, order blocks down at 30,500. Isn't that funny that we came right down to 30,500? If we lose 30,870, if we break, we can move down to 30,000 DCA zones. If we hold, we can move up. Said that when we were at 31,000, and this was 1038 on the 4th of July. Red dot on market cipher. Hourly means downside. You know, same thing I tell you guys here. And then I said we shall see. So, you know, I was absolutely right on point. And, you know, just use the charts, you know, to determine what's going to happen instead of our emotions, right? Say no to hot dogs. Hot dogs are nasty. And then I'll go to Coin Glass, but Coin Glass doesn't turn sideways for some reason. Okay, so Coin Glass, let's just look at the liquidations. So as you can see, all longs were liquidated, 83%. Across all exchanges were liquidated, and 87.1 million were liquidated in 24 hours. In the past 24 hours, 36,197 trades were liquidated for 87 million in total. Largest liquidation happened on Bitcoin Cash, 3.79 million. Let's see. Let's look at longs and short interests here. Okay, so everybody's short now. And I also mentioned yesterday that everybody was short as well. And this is on the hourly. Let's look at the 24 hour. 24 hours, same. 12 hour, same. 4 hour, almost the same. And then hour. All right, so yep, a lot of shorts in the market right now. And everything's down right now. So, all right, that's pretty much it. We have, you know, a ton of liquidations. We have a ton of shorts opened, and maybe the shorts will get clapped. And with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. We'll see where Bitcoin goes to in the next few hours and upcoming days. The next video will be coming out soon. Much love, you guys. Make sure you go check out all the other videos. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out all the links down below as well. If you're going to trade, be careful and use Bing X down below where you can trade and make some money. But be careful, don't over leverage. And make sure you use stop losses, and, you know, make sure you set your targets. All right. And with that being said, happy Wednesday. God loves you. I love you. Take care, guys. Stack some Bitcoin and chill. Peace.